Welcome to my review of the Siemens KG36NXX3AG BK fridge freezer in black. This was kindly sent by AO.com for review. The delivery by AO.com was great. I received a 4-hour slot by text and could also track online. I then received a call half an hour before delivery to confirm they weren't far away. They then remove all packaging and place it wherever you want it. This fridge freezer is really smart looking. Although the description is black, I'd describe it more of a dark grey. The trim inside is black. If I just show you that. And then compared to the outside, I think dark grey is a more fitting description. Okay. I'll just show you the settings on the front. Okay, so we can change the compartment by pressing degree C. The left side is the fridge, right side is the freezer, and the default settings are on when they arrive. So -18 for the freezer and 4 degrees for the fridge. Okay. Back to the fridge on this left side. There's a plus and minus button here. You can just work your way up. There's an eco there, all the way down to the bottom, and there's a super cool. Just go back up to 4 degrees. As you can see, it's really touch sensitive, works really well. So we've just moved over to the freezer now. Default settings 18. Plus and minus again, you can take it up to eco and down to super. There's also a lock button there once you're happy with your settings. There we go. If you want to take the lock off, you need to press and hold for 3. You can hear it beep beep beep, and then the lock's off. So when this first arrives, the alarm will sound until it reaches the required temperature. You can mute that. This will light up in the middle, alarm off. So you can press that, that will turn the alarm off. Okay, all those settings are so easy to use. The eco setting, that's a function which switches on to an energy saving mode by selecting fridge or freezer compartment using the degree C button, and then keep pressing until the eco button is lit. That will set to +8 for the fridge and -16 for the freezer. So the super freeze function there, super cooling even, which sets the coldest possible temperature for 6 hours. So that's aimed at cooling large quantities of freshly bought food or fast cooling of drinks. So same as before, you would select fridge or freezer and then the super button at the bottom by the plus and minus button. And when that's lit, that will set that temperature for 6 hours. After 6 hours, it'll automatically reset to the previously set temperature. So that's a great function. The front and side panels of the housing are partly heated, slightly to prevent condensation. Another good feature. Let's open up. Yeah, the handles at the side. Okay, so we've got a LED light at the top here. Good idea for lighting at the front. You can see plenty there. We've got a nice bottle rack here. And this section here is for meat. It's a good idea to keep your raw meat and the cooked meat separate. And at the bottom we've got the hyper fresh section for fruit and veg. This opens up, it's absolutely huge. There's also a function on here to change from fruit and veg to best for fruit. So if you slide that back, there's a little vent there. Okay, move that back. Got a huge door there. Good size here, and you can change the levels as well at the side. Comes with some little egg holders, and we've got another level at the top there. Okay. open the freezer. Decent section at the top there for all the meat and fish. There's quite a lot in there. It's quite a deep drawer. This next one is very large again, so it's a really good size for a pizza, that kind of size box. There's also enough room to pop things in the front as well. There's another feature. This comes with a little ice pack there. And then another section at the bottom. Not as deep this time, as you can see, if I pull that out, because at the back it comes forwards there. That's just on the bottom level. Let's slide that back in. Okay. So this will sound an alarm as well if the door's left open too long. Didn't manage to leave it open long enough for the first one, so never mind. As you can see there, the no frost multi-airflow air fresh filter at the back there. And if I step back, let's see if I can show how large it is. There we go. So there's that size there, and then even lower the amount for the fruit and veg. There is another level inside here. You can pop that up a bit high, but then this shelf ends up quite shallow. Although I suppose you could take out the top shelf if you wanted to stack things. This has an easy access shelf. This actually slides out for you to reach things. Quite handy. Okay. And this ends the review. Hope you find it helpful.